Hey everybody, Miss Thompson here, and we are going to talk about pancakes. So, at the beginning of class, what we decided was that each pancake eater, each dude who came to the pancake breakfast, could eat 3 pancakes. And that was a pretty good average. Some people will eat more, some people will eat less, but in general, Joe Pancake Eater is going to have 3 pancakes. Okay? So then, we look at our recipe. And what it says is right at the top, makes 12 to 18 pancakes. Well, I don't want to make 12 pancakes. I just want to feed just one guy, and he only eats 3 pancakes. So, if I know that 3 pancakes, right here, 3 pancakes is going to be enough for 1 pancake eater, then proportionally, 12 pancakes is going to feed 4 pancake eaters. So in order to get this 4 down to 1, I've got to just proportionally figure out how many pancakes, how much mix I'm going to need to make 3 pancakes. And I'm going to do that by dividing my ingredients by 4. So let's think about water. Remember that this is for 12 pancakes, and it says 1.5 cups of water. Well, what I need to do is divide that into 4 because I only want to make 1 portion, which is 3 pancakes. So I'm going to have to divide this 1.5 by 4. How am I going to do that? So first, I'm just going to write out the problem. I'm going to have to take 1.5 cups of water, and I'm going to have to divide that by 4. Well, right away, what I need to do is, I know that I need to change this mixed number into an improper fraction because it's a little bit easier to work with. So, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. We're going to use our little circle, boop, dink, dink, times, plus, to change it into a mixed number. And that's going to give me 3 over 2. And I'm still dividing by 4. Well, maybe for ease's sake, I'm just going to turn this into a fraction. So if I turn 4 into a fraction, it's going to be 4 over 1. But I still got to divide. Well, let's see. If I have 3 over 2 and I divide it by 4 over 1, isn't that saying the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal? Because if I just took like something that I knew already, like 6 divided by 3, divided by 3, it would be 2. Because what I'm doing is actually multiplying by the reciprocal of 3. So if I did 6 times 1/3, I would still get 2. How about that? So let's try that. So all I'm going to do is flip this 1/4, or this 4 over 1 on its head. So then I'm going to keep this one, change the signs to multiplication, then I'm going to flip the 4 on its head. And now it's so much easier to work with. I just have to multiply straight across. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 4 is 8. 3/8 of a cup of water for 1 pancake eater, or 3 pancakes. Well, we're going to do like 1 serving, which is 1 pancake eater, one guy. So now, the number of water needed for 1 serving of pancakes is not going to change. So I know that this whole column is going to be 3/8. And so let's look back at what we did with the mix needed. How did I figure out how much total amount of water needed for this many servings? How did I figure that out? Oh, I multiplied. So from here, I'm just going to multiply 1 times 3/8 is going to be 3/8. 3 times 3/8. Now it's going to start to get complicated. I'm going to have to get it into a number that I can understand and work with easily. So 3 as a fraction is 3 over 1. Then I'm going to multiply by 3/8, which is no problem now because I just multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 1 is still 8. 9/8. That's a little bit fat on top. Let's change that to a mixed number. So 8 goes into 9 one time and 1 left over. 1/8. And so since we came up with an equation over here, what did we use? We used the unit rate or the rate of proportionality to come up with the equation. So then for our equation over here, you can pretty easily see that it's going to be 3/8.